السلام عليكم. النهاردة هناخد الليسون اللي هو بتاع ال probability. طبعا احنا واخدين الحاجات دي قبل كده، فهنفتكر مع بعض ال definitions الموجودة. عندنا أول حاجة هنا بيقولي the random experiment. The random experiment, it's an experiment in which we can determine all its possible outcomes before carrying it, but we can't predict certainly which of these outcomes will occur. زي مثلا لما نعمل tossing للداي، احنا عارفين من قبل ما نبدأ نعمل التوسنج ده ان الريزلتس اللي هتطلع 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, but we can't determine exactly what is the number will occur or what is the number will appear to us. The second definition of the sample space. The sample space is the set of all possible outcomes for a random experiment, and we symbolize it by S. We will take some examples. First example, when we tossing a coin once and observing the apparent face. Sample space في الحالة دي هيكون all the outcomes. ايه اللي ممكن يطلع لما اعمل tossing للكوين؟ head or tail. head or tail. يبقى then sample space equal head and tail. طيب number of sample space، وده اللي يهمني اكتر، اللي هو the number of elements in the sample space. head and tail يبقى the number of elements equal ايه؟ 2. when we tossing a die once and observing the number of dots on the upper face, sample space equal 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is all the outcomes. So number of sample space, the number of the outcomes 1 2 3 4 5 6 is 6 elements. Then NS equal 6 elements. Number 3, a ball is selected at a random from a box that contains 3 symmetric balls, red, yellow, and green, and we observe the color of the drawing ball. Sample space, all the outcomes, red, yellow, and green. Number of elements equal 3. Number 4, بيقول لي هنا forming all the 2-digit numbers from 3 and 5, then selecting one of them randomly. 2-digit number means 36, 45, 78, any number formed from 2 digits, units and tens. Then we will put in the units 3 or 5 as shown, and in the tens at the first time 3 and 5 and second time 3 and 5. Then the numbers will appear as 33, 35, 53, 55. Then the sample space, all the outcomes اللي هي 33, 35, 53, 55. And the number of S, or number of sample space, equal 4 elements. 4 elements. Now we will take example. The probability of A equal NA over NS. This is the rule. The NA is the number of elements of A. النمبرز أو الحاجة اللي هو هيسألني عليها في الإيه؟ في البروبلم أو في المسألة اللي هو مديهاني. ال NS the number of sample space أو the number of elements in the sample space اللي هو all the outcomes. Example, when tossing a regular die once, find the probability of A, appearance of an even number. What is the even number when we tossing a die? 2, 4, 6. Then the probability of A equal NA. NA اللي هو number of elements of A اللي هي 2, 4, 6. The number of elements equal 3. Then 3 over ال NS اللي هو ال total number بتاعي اللي هو 6. يبقى 3 over 6 equal 1 over 2. probability of P, which P, the appearance of a number bigger than 4. The numbers bigger than 4 when we tossing a die is 5 and 6. The number of elements 5 and 6 equal 2. Then the probability of P equal 2 over total number lower 6 equal 1 over 3. Number 3, C is the appearance of a number less than 7. The numbers less than 7 is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then the number of elements equal 6. يبقى probability هنا 6 over 6 equal 1. When we get the result 1, it's called a sure event. Sure event. Number 4, D, the appearance of the number 5. When we tossing a die, the number 5 appear to us just one time. Then the number of elements equal 1. 1 over total number lower 6, يبقى then the probability of D equal 1 over 6. Number 5, F, appearance of the number 8. Probability of F equal 0 over 6 equal 0, and this is called the impossible event. Because when we tossing a die, number 8 can't appear on the face of the die. Then the number of element equal 0. The probability of F equal 0 over 6 equal 0, and when we get the result 0, it's called an impossible event. Thank you.